Love cricket? Want to watch the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 without spending a dime? I've got just the thing for you. Imagine this. Every six, every wicket, and every nail-biting finish all live and free on ICC.tv. Yes, you heard that right. ICC.tv gives you free access to watch the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 no matter where you are in the world. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Grab your device, laptop, smartphone, tablet, you name it. Step 2. Visit icc-cricket.com. Step 3. Sign up for an account. Enter your name, verify your email, and select your password. I've already created an account, so I will just log in. Once you're in, you can watch all the live matches, highlights, and exclusive content. And guess what? You'll never miss epic clashes like India versus Pakistan. The best part? It's all in high definition, bringing you closer to the action than ever before. No more geo restrictions, no more expensive subscriptions. ICC.tv is breaking down the barriers, making cricket accessible to everyone. Whether you're chilling at home or on the go, you can enjoy the game anytime, anywhere. So why wait? Head over to icc-cricket.com or download the ICC.tv app now. Your front row seat to cricket history is just a click away. Remember, it's free, it's live, and it's on ICC.tv. Join the global cricket community and let's celebrate the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 together. Catch you on ICC.tv. Don't miss out.